So here we have a daily chart of the S&P. The weekly chart really hasn't changed much, to be fair. So I didn't see the point of doing it because, you know, we know what's going to happen. Well, we hope so. And we expect failure in this particular region. So anything up towards here, we're looking to sell, and you're going to put your stops above 30.36. Now, the reason for doing that actually is that if we do break through that 30.36, we've got our first fib extension at 30.78. Now, obviously, you can get measured targets upwards, you can project them, and you can also use pivot point analysis to get the daily and the weekly levels. So, you know, you can do that, but if you just eyeball that chart, I do like eyeballing charts. If you just eyeball that chart, you can see at a glance that the market is overbought, is flattening out, is looking to turn. The RSI has already dipped down a little bit lower, and whilst this is the case, there is going to be more pressure to the downside. Now, obviously we tie it in with our bonds now, good lord, but we tie it in with our bond markets. They look like they can correct, which could mean that this S&P is reaching a top, which would be great. I mean, it'd be a huge double top if you look at that down to here. But as I say, we preempt it. We know where we're wrong. If we do break that 30.36, we're on our way to 30.78. Obviously, with small levels of resistance in the middle, I will do those another day. But for the minute, for the time being, we're trading 29.95, so we're off from where we opened on, or from where we closed on Friday. We are down on that, but we just have to wait to see what Wall Street does, what Wall Street opens, and where Wall Street takes us. Okay, now I'll do the Dow next. The Dow, you have the same pattern. I can't see any change there. We all know where the level is. It's up here. We've got to break through that 27,391 area. We've got to take that out. If we don't, we're going to have failure and we're going to come back lower. We are overbought still on that at the moment. Dow is trading at 27,103. So obviously, you know, that's down a bit from Friday's close as well. So all in all, you know, we've only got a quarter of an hour left. All in all, we could open a little softer. We'll just take each day as it comes at the moment and see how we go. You know, let's see if we can get this market down. If the top formation up here does hold, you know, we could, if I take this off here, if we put another fib on from this point to this point, you know, you could see us back down to this area here, which would be a really good level to go in and buy the S&P because it's at the 23.6. You've got that intersecting small uptrend line, 21-day moving average. They're coming in at, you've got 26,809, 26,769. So, you know, there's quite a bit to play for on the downside. And let's just see if the NAS confirms. One of the reasons I like the NAS so much is that because it can be a really good leader of the three US markets. It really can. And you can see on Thursday, you know, that it didn't want to go up. It really didn't. And we got nowhere near the highs. So the pattern is actually different to the S&P and the Dow. The NAS is lagging. Now, unless the NAS does something very spooky and takes out that high there, and you can see that coming in at 80.27, and you've got this upward line coming in here at 80.86. But unless we take out this, we will come lower. And if I put on a Fibonacci, I'm going to do it from there to there because I just want baby ones at the moment. You can see that 23.6 is coming in at 78.30. We're currently trading at 78.32. So all to play for within the next 10 minutes. Give it a little while for the NAS to settle down. But you can see how well supported we are down there from the moving averages. You've got support all the way down. You've got 78.20. You've got 78.05. Come on. You've got 77.65, 77.09, 75.83. You know, you've got all this. If you just tie in the moving averages with your fib levels, with chart support and resistance levels, you know, there is no reason why we can't maximise profits on the NAS. For me, I think the S&P, the Dow and the NAS are looking under pressure. Okay, so for me, I want to be selling into strength today or tomorrow. Normally on Mondays, I let it settle down a little bit, do its own little thing. Maybe it'll be quiet, maybe it won't. But I like for it to just settle down this afternoon, and then we can take a look and put our strategy in place for the rest of the week. Good luck. I'll catch you in a bit.